There was once a young eagle named Arin. He lived on a high mountain. His wings were strong and he could fly very high. Every day he hunted his own food. It was not easy, but it made him strong. One day, Arin saw something new. Near a village, people were throwing food outside. It was easy to eat. No need to hunt. No need to work hard. Arin made a choice. He stopped hunting. At first, it felt good. He didn't have to fly far. He didn't have to struggle. Every day, he ate easily and rested for a long time. Life became comfortable. Days passed, then weeks passed. Slowly, Arin started to change. His wings became weak because he stopped flying high. His eyes were not as sharp as before. He became lazy. He stayed in his comfort. He felt safe, but he didn't know. Comfort was becoming a trap. One day, everything changed. The people stopped throwing food. Arin waited, but no food came. He became hungry, very hungry. Now he had no choice. He had to hunt again. Arin tried to fly high, but his wings felt heavy. He tried to catch a rabbit, but he was too slow. The rabbit ran away easily. Arin tried again, but he failed again and again. Each time he felt worse. Then he understood something important. When you stop using your strength, you slowly lose it. Comfort had made him weak. Winter was coming, and he needed to become strong again. Arin made a strong decision. He decided to work hard again. The next day, he started flying. Not very high, not very far, but a little. It was painful. His wings hurt. His body felt tired. Many times he wanted to give up, but he didn't stop. Every day he tried a little more. Slowly, his wings became strong again. His eyes became sharp again. His confidence came back. After many days, he saw a rabbit. This time, he didn't feel scared. He flew fast. He focused, and finally, he caught it. Arin felt proud. He smiled. He looked at the sky and flew high again, this time stronger than before. He learned a lesson he would never forget. Easy life is not always good. Comfort can make you weak. Real growth comes from hard work. The moral is simple. Comfort feels good, but it can trap you. If you stop working hard, you lose your strength. But if you keep trying every day, you become strong again.
If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Thank you.